Today I'm going to show you my version of Starbucks Strawberry Refresher. It's so good, I've been told it's better than Starbucks. Let's get started. Start by placing one large strawberry cut into fourths into a shaker. Use a muddler to gently crush the strawberry, then set it aside. To a small bowl, add 1 ounce of water. Add half a teaspoon of acai powder. Links to everything I'm using today will be posted in the description below. Next, 1/4 teaspoon of green coffee bean extract. And no, this does not taste like coffee. This is for caffeine. Starbucks adds caffeine, but you can omit it if desired. Whisk the mixture until well combined. Then add it to the shaker. I like to use Monin strawberry syrup. We'll pour in 1 ounce, which is the same as 2 tablespoons. I always order my refreshers with lemonade, so we're gonna add 1½ cups of lemonade, and you can use any lemonade you have. This is optional, but for an extra burst of freshness, squeeze the juice of half a lemon into the shaker. Then add half a cup of ice. However, it's time to give your shaker a workout. Let those flavors mingle and dance together in the most delicious way possible. Shake it like you mean it. Prepare a glass with a little ice, then strain the mixture into the glass. Refreshers at Starbucks always come topped with freeze-dried strawberries for that extra burst of flavor and texture. I have a good-sized can of these freeze-dried strawberries linked below. As you can see, you get quite a few. Add a few to top the drink for that authentic touch. To garnish, let's make it even more inviting by adding a fresh strawberry. Make a small slit in the center of the strawberry and place it on the rim of the glass. This final touch not only looks beautiful, but also enhances the overall presentation of the drink. All right, let's give it a try. So good and refreshing. I hope you give this a try, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like, share with your friends, and be sure to subscribe. Thanks for your support. So good. If you haven't already subscribed, please be sure to do so below or hit my little picture on the side. Also, don't forget to hit the little bell to get notified of all of my new videos, and please be sure to check out these links on the side. Share with your friends. Thanks for watching and your support.